Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about exercise 1 and its problems. The very first problem is about finding the LCM of the given fractions and convert them as mixed fractions. So the very first question is this one. You see 2 plus 3 by 4. Since 2 has no denominator, so I can write it as by 1, and now for 1 and 4 I have to take LCM. Since I have 1 here, definitely the LCM will be 4. So the common denominator is 4 here. So 1 goes in 4 times. So 4 into 2 plus this 4 goes in 1 time. So 1 into 3. So 4 2s are 8 and 1 3s are 3 by 4. So now 8 plus 3 gives 11 and the denominator is 4. So this is the answer. And here we are asked to convert this one into improper fraction, mixed fraction. So for that we'll take denominator, that is 4, and divide the numerator, that is 11. So 4 goes here 2 times, so that is 8, and the remainder is 3. So I think you remember how to write this mixed fraction. So we'll start by taking this quotient and we come to remainder, and then we go to the divisor. This is the way how we write mixed fraction. So first we need to write 2, and then comes quotient, remainder, and finally we'll write denominator. So 2 4s are 8 and 8 plus 3 is 11. So in this way you can try the question, that is 1 minus 4 by 3, 1 minus 4 by 7. We'll see another question now. Here we have 5 by 8 minus 1 by 6. So we need to take LCM for 8 and 6. So we have that process now, how to find this one, factors process. So we will write them as 8, 6. We will take 2 because that is the smallest prime number which cancels here in both the numbers. So here it goes 4 times and here it goes 3 times. And again I am taking 2. So it goes here 2 times. Since 3 is already a prime number and we don't go it further. And this 2 is also a prime number. So what are we have here? The numbers we have here are 2, 2, 2 and 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 3s are 24. So 24 is the LCM. So we can see here this 24 can be written as 8 times 3 and 6 times 4. So our LCM is 24. So this 8 cancels in 24 exactly 3 times. So I will write it as 3 times the numerator. What is the numerator here? 5. 5 minus this denominator 6 cancels in 24, that is our LCM, 4 times. 4 into the numerator is 1. So this we will get it as 15 minus 4 by 24. So 15 minus 4 gives us 11 by 24. So in the problem we are asked to find the mixed fraction, no? But here you observe this one. This is a proper fraction. So proper fractions need not be converted, no? And if it is the case of improper, then only we will just make it into mixed fraction. So this is our final answer. So very similarly, you can find the answer for the adjacent problem. You can 7 by 9 plus 1 by 3. So we can solve that very similarly. So for that I will multiply these two, that is 2 times 3 plus 2 divided by 3, and here we have plus 3 times 2 plus 1 by 2. See, first we multiplied these two, that is 2 into 3, then I added this one, multiplied these two and I added this one. Then 2 3s are 6 plus 2 is 8, that is 8 by 3, and this one is 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. So now here we need to take LCM for these two. So you observe here 2 is a prime number and this 3 is also a prime number. So when we take LCM for two prime numbers, we can directly multiply them. Then LCM here is 3 times 2, that is 6. This 6 can be written as 3 times 2 or else 2 times 3. So now our common denominator, that is LCM, is 6. This 3 cancels in 6. How many times? 2 times. This 2 times it will cancels. So I am going to write that 2 in the numerator into, what is here? 8. 2 times 8 plus this 2 cancels in 6. How many times here? Here you can see that is 3. So that 3 times into numerator, that is 7. So this becomes 2 into 8 is 16 plus 3 into 7 is 21 and divided by 6. Now we will add these two. 6 plus 1 is 7 and 1 plus 2 is 3, that is 37 by 6. So now what we have to do? We have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So divide 37 by 6. So it goes here 6 times 36. 1 is the remainder. So we will follow this way. We will go to that 6. So first I need to write this quotient, that is 6, and then the remainder, that is 1, and finally our divisor. So this is the mixed fraction being converted. So 37 by 6 equals 6, 1 by 6. So in this way we can simplify the another adjacent problem, this one, the same manner. So I hope you understand this one and you can do the remaining problems. Thanks for watching.